A historic church in the heart of Grand Rapids is covered in scaffolding tonight. It's all part of a multi-million-dollar repair project to its iconic bell tower.
The Fountain Street Church is hosting a campaign to try and raise $2.3 million to fund the tower's repair work. And they are $250,000 short. News 8's Adriana Doria got an up-close look, way up, to get a look at what needs to be done and what makes this church a gem of the city.
The last time those bells really rang out was before the pandemic, and they have been silenced for quite a while.
It's a sanctuary that has hosted world leaders, performers, and historical figures like Winston Churchill, Amelia Earhart, Malcolm X, and U2. And this sound that once filled the air is now in need of repair.
The goal is to fix things, to repair things so that they're there for another century. We are at that point now where it's now our turn to give to the next generation what was given to us.
Fountain Street Church's Bell Tower campaign, overseen by the contractor that built the tower back in 1922, Owen Ames Kimball, aims to raise $2.3 million to restore their iconic bell tower. From corroded iron infrastructure and loose bricks and stones, the church's soundscape has ceased to exist for the past few years.
That Fountain Street Church has, throughout its history, been a community that is willing to have challenging conversations about our values as a city. And I think that today, that is really important. And I think that the sound of those bells is the sound of an indication that there are people who are willing to gather together and actually talk to one another.
In its over 150 years standing in the middle of downtown Grand Rapids, Fountain Street Church's history stems far and wide. And part of that church's history are these 8 bells that many are waiting to hear again, because they're more than just bells. They're beacons of hope.
Whether you knew what it was that you were hearing or not, those bells rang on every holiday, every Sunday. They rang to call people into the city and to community together.
As the church continues to push the boundaries of traditional congregations, the bells play a significant role in those conversations.
There is no one denomination, there is no one tradition that runs this place. It is really an open and welcoming place for everybody, and it was built that way 100 years ago.
It's a sound that they plan to hear again by this spring to continue their legacy for years and decades to come.
The sound of those bells in my mind is the sound of a church saying yes when so many other places are saying no.
In Grand Rapids, Adriana Doria, News 8.